we are capable of healing. We do not have to live in pain. It just takes knowledge. So what I'm going to share with you in this video is what I consider the most helpful stretch for lower back pain. Now, having said that, there's not one formula that works for everybody. This is not a diagnosis or a treatment. I'm simply sharing what worked for me. And I have done many different things, but I feel that if there was just one thing that I can do to alleviate lower back pain, this is the thing. And that's what I'm going to share with you. So you're going to be on your hands and your knees. This is a tabletop. And you're going to go into what's called a deep runner's lunge. So you're just going to you're going to raise into a plank position. Now you're going to stride 1 foot forward into a deep lunge, like that. Okay. The hands are in the center, and then you're going to drop that rear knee onto the floor. Okay, here. And now from here, you're going to raise the knee, and you're going to walk that rear foot back as much as you can, and then drop the knee. Now this is position 1. Okay. You want to keep that knee aligned over the foot, so you don't want the knee collapsing inward. However, it's perfectly okay to turn that foot out, and for many of you it may feel more comfortable to turn that foot out and just let the knee sort of fall to the outside. Okay. And now you're going to hold this position. We can call this position 1. Gradually over time, you're going to drop down. Okay, so position 2 is I'm going to drop onto my forearms here. Now you may need intermediary, so you can use something like a yoga block or a pillow, and you can just shorten the distance a little bit. And the key point here is to really focus on your breathing, just nice and calm with your breathing, and then it's time. You want to hold this position for at least 3 minutes. As you're in the position, you can gradually go deeper. And as you relax more, over time, the tissues will start releasing tension. And now you're going to come all the way down to here. And you're just going to breathe and stay in this position, not moving around. And this type of stretching is going into the deep tissues, into the fascia, the connective tissues. And the connective tissues store. Okay, there's a lot of elastic energy, and also there's pain and memories. I can go really deep into this subject, so if you have questions, feel free to ask. However, what we experience as pain is actually memories that we are holding within the cellular structures of our body. And so we can work through that and release it over time. Now, if this is comfortable, you can go even deeper by walking those hands out and dropping. Okay, now these blocks can be placed anywhere that's comfortable, like under your head, for example, or even under your chest if that feels more comfortable. Okay, behind your hip. And you're going to hold this position and breathe. Okay, you're going to stay here about 3 minutes or more, and then you're going to slowly walk yourself back. And you're going to do the same thing onto the other side. Okay. Raise that knee, walk it back, and then again go into that position here. Okay, and hold that. And so you're getting a really deep stretch into your hip flexor, and the muscles on each side of the joint work in opposition. So as you start releasing tension here, it's going to carry over into the opposite side, which is going to be your lower back, and it's going to start releasing tension here in the lower back. Okay, so give that a try. Again, it's not one size fits all. You have to explore, see how it feels. Don't rush. Don't go too deeply or force. Okay, let your body adapt and stick with it. And I'm sure you will experience positive benefits from that. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. And let's be pain-free.